Baker Street, probably one of the most iconic saxophone solos of all time, and the reason for so many people taking up this beautiful instrument. It was originally recorded by Raphael Ravenscroft, who reportedly made $30 from the session. It's not too difficult, doesn't contain too many notes, and I'm going to use my Presto system, simple numbers and symbols, along with the notated version as well. I'm sure you'll understand it as we go. So let's deal with the first phrase, starting with 2 notes and a little squiggly line. That's called a gliss, and it's a flurry of notes, basically, between the 6 with the octave key, the D, up to the palm key, that's the P1. So it sounds like this, and we're going to keep it simple by just basically removing 1 finger at a time. And practice that until you get into a nice flurry. That leads to an open C sharp with the octave key on. And then we have a 1 with the octave key, that's a B, 2 for the A, and then back to a 1, open 1, a long 1 for that B. So that's 6 up to the P1, that palm D, all open, a 1 for the B, 2 for the A, and then a quick 1 open before returning to that 1, that B there. Okay, that deals with the first phrase. On to the second phrase. You'll notice, again, this starts with the 6 plus the octave key, that D, and goes up to that palm D, P1, but no gliss this time. And again, that's followed by a C sharp, an all open note with the octave key. And this time we've got a 1 to a 2, that's a B to an A, finishing on a long F sharp, that's 3 plus the right middle. Okay, that phrase sounds like this. So let's put those 2 phrases together. On to the third phrase. This phrase we're going to start with the F sharp, that 3M key, up to the palm D again. Followed by an open C sharp. And then a 1 to a 2, that's a B to an A. And now we've got a series of 4 A's, 4 2's. But notice that the second one has got a little plus sign above it. And that we're going to add 3 keys of the right hand at the bottom to create what's called a double density. Just gives a little difference in the timbre. Okay, so up to that point we've got and then this phrase ends with another F sharp, that 3M. Here we go. That's dealt with the phrase 3. And the final phrase, once again, starts on the F sharp, that 3M, up to the palm key D, open C sharp, all of these with the octave key on. And then we've got a 1 for the high B, a 2 for the A, like this. Okay, and this is followed by another quick 1, open 1, B, C sharp, B. Okay, to that point. And we're going to finish this phrase with a 5, that's an E with the octave key, a 6, the D with the octave key. And then we've got 2 B's, that's 1. 3 6's, that's D with the octave key. Before finishing on a long B again. So the whole of that final phrase sounds like this. And that's all there is to it. I've linked in the description a notated version of this as a PDF, plus a Presto version as a PDF, and this combined version that we've been working with today. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the bell for future Presto and notated songs just like this one.